Sarah, we're going to do some funny noises while jumping on a trampoline. And we have this noise machine. It's really cool. I don't know where we got it, but it's really cool.
It's from Jake's birthday, our brother.
It's from Jake's birthday. And Charlie, do you think you can hold the camera and this at the same time?
Okay.
All right, here.
I have to hold both of them.
All right. So when I jump on the trampoline, Charlie's going to play a funny sound. Anything but this spring. Let's set it down somewhere. Let's set it down right here. Does that work? No. I'm trying to find out where I can put this. Does that work? And that works. Okay, you can see our trampoline, I think. Let me move this. Okay, Charlie, are you ready?
Ready.
The second I hit the trampoline, he's going to play a funny noise. Anything but the screen. The spring. Ready? It sounds so weird. It's like ka-ching when you're jumping on a trampoline. Okay, another. The second I hit the trampoline. Now! Change it every time. Change it. Be sure to change it. Got which one you want?
Got it.
Okay. Now! It sounds like I broke something when I jumped on it. Okay, another one. Choose another. Now! What? Okay, that makes no sense at all. Oops, I just turned off the light. Plug it back in. Okay. Now! Okay, oh, I have an idea. Charlie, play that one as a run-up, okay? Okay, play it now. That same one. Play. Not that one! You just did the farting noise. Okay, Charlie, I have a better idea. Come over here and do it so people can hear it.
Okay.
Right here. Right there, next to the... Okay. So, Charlie's right here. Play the drums.
Okay.
Now. Play it. Okay, that makes a little sense. I'll tell you when I play another. Now! Why do you choose that one? Okay, I hope you liked our funny sounds. Peace. Where's